I do love building stuff with Legos, and sometimes when I build stuff with other things, that makes me interested in Rosie. My first project was a butterfly that I made with different colors. I felt proud of myself that I made a project. I get to learn a lot of stuff and make a lot of new friends and learn and have a new teacher. I like it and it's important to me because that if men only do the work, then what will women do? And everyone can make inventions. We can do it.